Does keeping your home clean feel overwhelming? It doesn't have to. With a few simple daily habits, you can maintain a tidy, stress-free home without spending hours cleaning. Let's explore these practical habits that fit into any schedule. Habit 1. Make your bed. Start your day with a simple but effective habit. Make your bed. It takes less than 2 minutes but instantly makes your room look organized. Plus, it sets a positive tone for the day, giving you a small win to start with. Habit 2. Tidy as you go. This is one of the easiest ways to stay on top of messes. If you're cooking, working, or relaxing, put things back as soon as you're done. Wash your mug after your coffee or put your shoes away when you come home. These small actions prevent clutter from piling up. Habit 3. Wipe down surfaces. High-traffic areas like kitchen counters and bathroom sinks collect grime quickly. Take a minute each day to wipe them down. This prevents buildup and keeps your home looking fresh. A clean surface can make your entire space feel more organized. Habit 4. One load of laundry a day. If laundry feels like an endless chore, try doing one load daily. Start it in the morning, and by the evening, it'll be ready to fold and put away. This keeps laundry manageable and ensures you always have fresh clothes. Habit 5. The 5-minute nightly reset. Before bed, take 5 minutes to tidy up. Clear any clutter from counters, pick up stray items, and give your home a quick refresh. You'll wake up to a tidy space and a more peaceful morning. Final thoughts. With these small, consistent habits, you'll find it easier to maintain a clean and welcoming home. The key is to focus on daily actions that prevent messes from piling up. Start with one habit and build from there. You'll see a difference in no time. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy home care ideas. Your tidy home journey starts now.